question for pharmacies that offer an MDS service to their patients. Do you want to revolutionize your medication adherence packs filling and accuracy checking process without losing any of your current MDS patients? Omnicell have a solution to this ongoing challenge for pharmacies. The Omnicell VBM 200F is the only small footprint automated pharmacy solution that efficiently and accurately fills, checks and corrects SureMed by Omnicell multiple medication blister cards, creating a seamless active workflow. The machine's proven vision technology verifies every medication for each individual blister, ensuring accuracy. It identifies and validates medication based on size, shape and color, and medication not filled by the system can still be identified and validated by the system. This is the only automated filling machine on the UK market to take corrective action in the event of error. The Omnicell VBM 200F ensures pharmacies have the competitive advantage to easily scale your pharmacy by taking on more community patients and care homes without the need to increase your headcount. Improve accuracy and patient safety. Remove the risk of human error by automating the packing, filling and checking processes of MDS packs. Improve efficiencies in workflow. Omnicell VBM fills and checks multi-dose cards with a potential throughput rate of 35 to 40 cards per hour. Help utilize staff for value-added services to improve patient care. Omnicell VBM enables you to free up staff time to focus on patient care and other services that your pharmacy offers. Speak to a member of the Omnicell team to find out how the Omnicell VBM 200F can revolutionize your retail pharmacy.